Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you another 5 altcoins for today. And you always ask, so what altcoins do you hold? 3 of these 5 altcoins I hold in my spot portfolio. It's Dimension, Altlayer, and the StarkNet. So let's take a look at the updates, guys. First of all, I would like to remind you, this cycle, it's a venture funds cycle when they treat us, me and you, all retailers, with that fancy fundamentals about these projects, and while we listen them, they just dump their bags with the unlocks, with the multi-hacking, and all of this stuff, guys. Unfortunately, it's not our fault. We can't know what the main idea, who stay behind this project, how they distribute the bags, and so what the plan for that tokens. We can only work with the current data, or what they tell us, what the posts, what they promise, the roadmaps, all of this stuff, guys. And we just take an action based on that data. All right. So the bio protocol here, we bounce it, and now try to hold the line at 1464. And most likely will drop lower. How low? I would like to show you now. So if we zoom out on the weekly time frame for all of these tokens, guys, we use initiation accumulation pump model. And see here, this was the best zone for accumulation based on this model, guys. No one model in the world will give you the 100% win rate strategy. On the weekly time frame, it was a confirmation signal to buy. I don't know exactly on maybe on some rumors or so, or maybe Upbit listening or Coinbase listening, whatever. We pump it from 5 cents to 32. It was a logical exit zone. Plus, we got like confirmation of money outflow. So when you see something like this one, it's not a bullish signal to buy here. At least you could buy at 13 cents and the fixed profit at 32. So daily time frame, guys, here also the buy line now it's 5 cents 8. So this is it. Now nothing bullish one. The main accumulation being here. If you track everything with my customer side, the last one was here in June, by end of June, test of the buy line, go higher with the distribution signals. Now, most likely the first step where we will see the bio token is 12 cents 85. It's a test exit line. After that, the take profit 11.36, and maybe even the 5 cents 74, but I don't think so. The lines are dynamic, so till 15, where that horizontal line, till 15 September, February. This one, the buy line on the 12 time frame, I guess, will be around here. So most likely we're gonna sweep just this liquidity pool and see something like this price action. So around under 10 cents, I think more than sure we will see the bio in the next 2 weeks. Step by step, here is the money inflow on 12 time frame. So I'll be not surprised if we will see some pullback to 20 cents, 22, maybe even here, and after that drop it back to grab this liquidity and maybe even this. It's just in theory, the pullbacks, maybe it can be like this one, right? That's why, guys, wait the buy line, at least the test, and no rush, because by seasonality, the September is not a bullish month for the altcoins, for BTC especially. Also, take profit. I showed you trade on, no signals to buy. You can just add alert, for example, to take profit. Trade on, take profit. Take profit from this sale on 12 time frame. So that's it, guys. Global targets for bio, of course, guys, it's 95, $1.02, maybe new all-time high. We will see. Now I would like to focus only on the local zone where to accumulate it back. If we will see finally the main outperforms in October and November. They mentioned the most disappointed also token, one of the most disappointed token. So they promised too much. They promised too much, and the price dumped like crazy from $8.69. Of course, I'm not hopping here. My average entry for the dimension around like I don't know 48-50 cents. And yes, I'm in losses over than 50%. So yes, it's kind of weird, but that entry was a logical one. I was not sure we could drop and invalidate the idea, but we dump it on the listing price on the Binance 20 cents. So we can't know the future. We can't know the future. That's why you take an action or not. That time I take an action, and now I'm in loss. It's okay. It's okay because it's just a part of our job. After, for example, 100%, if, for example, we'll bounce from the 20 cents, from 18 cents to this weekly gap, like a test below 86 level by FIB 86 cents, maybe I will out at the break even, maybe. Who knows? So that's why all eyes now on BTC, on BTC dominance, on DXY, on Ethereum, on seasonality. So September, guys, nothing so crazy bullish, so reduce your expectation for September. October, November, maybe it will be a good one. Here, the money inflow, the last one and only was here in 2024. Here we bounced it that time in last year, like 187. That's why I repeat again, it's never a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit. Here we saw 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row money inflow. That's why I think the wealth accumulated with the average entry like 45 cents, for example, 45, 50 cents. That's why also was the reason why I accumulated the dimension, but we dump it lower. That's why soon I think we will see another money inflow on the weekly. And after that, their average entry, I mean the whales, average entry will be like 25. At 55, they will out of this token and fix some profit or withdraw initial deposit. And after that, with the free token, they can deliver the price to $1.21 to 56, and maybe the end of cycle for this token will be like 577, 620. That's why, guys, be realistic with your expectation. The same story for this one for the StarkNet, and here. It's not unnecessary, so they mentioned we'll hit the new all-time high, guys, again. Also positive case if, for example, we will see the $3.83, almost 2,000% gains. The best one, it's recover back to $6.20. And everything depends where we're going to stop. Because, for example, if we drop to 15 cents, it's going to be almost 45x, over than 45x. So, guys, yes, not all tokens should go to new all-time high again. Monster time frame looks absolutely horrible, just absolutely horrible. At least, I believe, we will come back to this monthly gap, like a first trouble area, sweep of liquidity pool. This one, 52 cents, after that, 86, and another one, $1.21. So, at least this pullback from now or from a little bit lower, this one, I think we will see. If the Bitcoin hit the 150K, for example, around, I don't know, December, November, and go down into the deep bear market, yes, maybe it's going to be the end of cycle for the dimension. Who knows, guys? Nobody can tell you the 100% guarantee. So all of these tokens will recover back. Maybe not, maybe never. That's why it's a high risky market, guys. Maybe the dimension tomorrow will be delisted. We can't know. We can't know. That's why don't be trapped with that app only content on social. And what we can control, we can control only the size of our position, right? And the entry. Also, the full fill of the monthly will be like $4.98. Maybe the $5 will be so attractive for the dimension to finish the right, maybe. But if we invalidate the idea, guys, usually these blocks, like a previous support, become the resistance where we need to fix the profit. Definitely, step by step, like 1, 2, for example, 3, and you're out and forget about this nightmare. All right, now on the weekly time frame, no bullish signal. We just in the chop since here. March 25 over than a half year, I guess, we just in a chop. So it's kind of weird. Just the range like 47, 20 cents, 47, 20 cents range over than a half year. Weird, absolutely weird, guys. Daily time frame here, the buy line now. We already tested the buy line in June. That's why I hope we will not repeat again. But 1720, it's again test. 12 time frame lines are dynamic. Now we're going to straightforward to 17 cents again. I hope we will not see that targets, but who knows, guys? Who knows? 4 time frame, it's 15 and 50. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low, but yes, it's possible. That's why if you still not touch the dimension, better wait 17% drop. So that's it, guys. Targets, I showed you the positive case, guys. If this is a like local double bottom format, so maybe from this count, the target will be the bullish one, 33.8 and 38.4. So for example, at 40 cents, if you decide to accumulate now again on the deviation at the bottom, sweep of 20 cents again, 40 cents, it will be not a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit. Just, guys, better withdraw your initial deposit and forget about that tokens. Right with the free tokens. Yes, of course, at the end, maybe you will get a 50% less potential profit, but at least you save your money. So for dimension targets I showed you. Outlier, guys, absolutely the same picture, but still not invalidated. At least it's a positive. Daily time frame, guys, most likely we will come back and test the buy line at 2 cents 17. Craziness weeks. Take a look how they grab liquidity. That time they listen on upbeat, drop, sweep liquidity, come back. Market makers, perfect job. Now the road is open to the daily time frame buy line, 2 cents 16. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to fundamental value of the stock in weekly time frame. No data. I hope we will not drop to 0.206 and invalidate the idea on the Binance. Nothing bullish now for outlier. I hope also we will not take a look if we will drop. Yes. If we will drop to the buy line, most likely we're gonna sweep this low of April 25. It's just weird, but imagine we are here in that stupid consolidation since February 25. Imagine in February will be 1 year. It's absolutely, guys, mind-blowing how they just use the venture funds. So 210 days they use this like exit liquidity, and their promises, all of this roadmaps, all of this solution, what they promise us, it's just a fake. It's just absolutely fake. So now nothing, guys, on the daily time frame. The last money inflow being here, we bounced it from 3 cents to 4 cents, 1 cent range. Also weird. I'm still waiting the main targets, guys, for our layer. The most positive case for our layer is if we will stop at 37.40 cents. This one, it's gonna be a good one. A crazy scenario if we're gonna hit the $1. For me, it sounds unrealistic. So we're gonna hit $1 for now, because I see the market condition, and the most positive cases could be the 37.40 cents, 51, this range. I don't know what should happen with the alt layer, so it's hit over than 70 cents. Possible, guys. Everything possible. Even possible if we drop in at 1-0. That's why I will start fix the outlier spot position during the ride. So now no money inflow. The last money inflow being here, so they accumulated 5 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. So approximately, I guess, at least they will push the price back to 16 cents in October, November. So daily time frame I showed you. No signal to close position based on this sell. The last one may sell, only the buybacks. Nothing special now. At the bearish RSI that we're in C, bearish MACD that we're in C. We almost at the bottom, almost at a historic all-time low, and we see again and again and again some bearish that we're in. It's just weird. That's why, guys, targets I showed you once again. the previous support zones now will start playing out like a resistance. So here it was a support, bounce, resistance at 38. Now we drop. So now like resistance will be 5 cents, 7 cents at 37, 12 69, 16 for 43. EIGEN layer, guys. I think EIGEN should pump together with Ethereum, but the miracle is not happen. So most likely we will see the second zone test again. It's 87 cents. This one, it's a buy line on a daily. Soon, I guess, we will see the money inflow. So the last money inflow been here in August 25 at the beginning. So we trade about at $1.03 and bounce it to $1.66. Now we, again, at the same level like it was at the beginning of August, months ago, but a little bit higher. That's why I wish to see again 86 cents drop, buy line on 12 time frame 88 and 3. No signal to close position from that take profit. That's why, guys, I recommend you to just add alerts, for example, in this way. Trade on and take profit from the this sale. Weekly time frame, guys, looks okay, but what I don't like here, we at the money power indicator, we almost at the historical all-time low. Not that close, but come on, it's not an all-time high, right? And we over the middle line on money power without any money inflow signal. This is weird. This is absolutely weird. The global targets, guys, absolutely still relevant. It's a swing trades take profit zone 468, 1 cent, 630. By gains, guys, it's potential. If, for example, we're gonna test once again the bottom. 679%, possible. But chart looks absolutely weird, guys. So no rush now. Next 2 weeks before the Fed cut rates, guys, no rush. Just mark the zone. Better skip the position than stock now in 30% down again. StarkNet, almost one of the most horrible token of this cycle, guys. I'm in StarkNet around also 45 cents because the logic was to buy here at the intention accumulation pump model at a last zone. We bounce it and crash it down like a rock on the water. So here 80 cents, dump it to 10 cents. Who stay behind these tokens? I have no idea. Nobody used these tokens. This is absolutely useless. Guys, I already explained to you, for everyone who, all the time defend the tokens like, no, you don't understand the technology. Guys, it's a too big difference. If you invest in technology like StarkNet, no questions. You invest in StarkNet like attach, and you invest the money to use it for some purpose. It's like you buying the Apple iPhone. You invest and you buy the attach, so you use it. And I don't care about Apple shares, stocks, right? But if I invest the money in Apple shares, I don't care about Apple gadget. I need that shares should pump it because I need to returns like investor. That's why don't need to talk about this stupid debates about the we are here for the attach. If you're here for the attach, you absolutely don't care about the price, right? So why you worry about it? So why you even wait some gains? You invest in attach. That's why I'm like investor. Of course, I'm worried about my investments. That's why I totally don't care what they promise to deliver in the blockchain. I need the returns in the money equivalent. I need to get back my USD. That's the point, guys, of investments and the tradings. I'm not a tech guy. I totally don't care about this useless technology. Absolutely. Or useless coin. This is not a solution for nothing. For nothing. This is just like a money laundry, like NFT, JPEGs. That's why, guys, the zones, previous supports for the StarkNet will be like resistance now. More than sure, guys. I'm more than sure they will push the price higher because they need time to distribute their bags again and again and again. Here, next step is 43.95. Maybe I will out at the break even, because for me it will be the break even, but for someone it's going to be like 200 or 300% gains. Next step is 57.77 and 87 and $1.08. So from $1.80 is going to be 1,000% gains for some guys who accumulated here, for example, around. So that's a point. Yes, over than 1,000. That's a point of the entry. Everything should be in time. So congrats everybody who accumulated here and not stuck in the StarkNets like I did, or many other investors. But of course, my entry not that bad. Of course, based on orientation, accumulation pump model, everything going by plan, but I can't know. Plan at the end can be right or wrong, but at least I'm not stuck at $2 after listing, So 2,400% gains, $2.40, $2 like round number can be just hypothetical top of the top for the StarkNet. I'm not sure this talking, even if the Ethereum will hit the new all-time high again, like even 10K, I don't think so. The StarkNet will go to new all-time high this run. And of course, I'm not even count the 50% of this week. $5, almost impossible for StarkNet with this current moment, guys. I don't know what they should deliver, what the market maker should do with the StarkNet. So we will hit the $5. So guys, now based on indicators, we trade over the middle line. Also disappointed, right? We had the all-time low and we are over the middle line of money power. It's kind of weird. Daily time frame, guys, soon we will see the money inflow again. So yes, like speculation, definitely that guys will deliver the price higher, but it's so annoying. So we waste a lot of time, guys, a lot of time just because of a pure manipulation. You launch the token and you just distribute your bags because you get a priority rounds. So that's a point. That's a problem. That's why the ICO round was more fair. Why the meme tokens more fair than all of this venture funds token, and open the all tokens which listed with the airdrop system, with the point system during 2023 to 2025. Binance or any other exchanges, and you will see just identical charts. Just identical chart. That's why we use intentional accumulation pump model, and that's why this is a venture funds cycle. So 8 cents 58, it's once again the test of the buy line on a daily time frame. Maybe 12 time frame, 8 cents 89. So under 10 cents, it's also possible to see the StarkNet. I hope we will not see this one. So guys, targets, I showed you, yes, September would be good to see red one, like one more confirmation. If you feel comfortable, accumulate now, guys. We are not so close to historical all-time lows. That's why now, of course, it's much better entry for these tokens. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, John Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.